Okay, so today we are going to do a quick lesson on drawing 3D boxes. Now, a lot of you have already done this before, but we're going to do it just one more time. So we are going to start by drawing a horizon line. A horizon line is where the sky and the earth meet. Okay, I meant to do it in the middle of the page, but mine's above the middle, so it doesn't matter however you do it. And in the center, you draw your vanishing point. All your lines are going to go to this vanishing point. Now, we are going to draw some boxes. I'm going to draw one below the horizon line, and if you notice, I am drawing them on the far side. Okay, I will show you what happens when you draw one right above it. We'll draw one right above it right now. You do not have to do this one, but I'm going to. And I'm using my ruler so my lines are nice and straight. You need to use your ruler also. And see, we'll do one on the horizon line. Over here a little bit. Make sure your ruler's straight. And then we'll do one, a little one above in this corner over here. So you can see how they look a little different. If I'm going too fast, pause the video. I'm going to clean up some of my squares. Now, this lesson is going to lead into drawing your name 3D, so it looks like your name is shooting out. All right, now we have 4 boxes. This box is not transparent. It's a solid box. Transparent means see-through, so we're going to go ahead and erase this horizon line because we cannot see it through the box. Now, every corner is going to go, we're going to draw lines from every corner, and they are all going to come to the vanishing point. These lines are called converging lines. So we're going to start here. And what I like to do is put my pencil on the vanishing point, move my ruler to the corner, and then draw my line. Do this again. Move my ruler to the corner, draw the line. One more time. Move my ruler to the corner, draw my line. Now I'm drawing darker. You need to draw lighter because we're going to erase some of these lines. Now this box looks like it's shooting out from that point. Now I'm going to do what you should not do. Okay, so a lot of kids, they forget that they have to go to the vanishing point and they just draw their lines straight to the horizon line. It still looks like it's shooting out, but when you get all these boxes just coming straight from the horizon line, it doesn't look right. So don't draw your lines just anywhere. All your lines have to end at the vanishing point. So again, point, draw. Right here, draw, right here, draw. Now, if you notice both these boxes, you only see 2 sides. Well, there's 4 sides to a box, but this side is underneath the box, so we won't see it because we see the top of the box. This side is above the box, is on top. We don't see it because we're looking from below. And these sides, we don't see these sides either. They're hidden. Now this box is interesting because we will actually only see one side. So I'm going to draw the one side that we see. Put my pencil here. Now, right here, if I draw a line, I'm going to end up going behind the box. So I don't draw that one right here. Same thing, it's going to go behind the box. So you don't worry about drawing that. On this box, from our perspective point, we only see the bottom side of that box. We don't see any of the other sides. Same with this box. Because it is on the horizon line, we only see one side. And actually, if you turn it around, the horizon line was going this way, we'd basically only see the bottom. So it's the same idea. Okay, so now this is the part that gets confusing. In class, this is what 90% of the students do, you guys do. So watch what not, well, let's do what you're supposed to do first. So this is horizontal line, perfectly horizontal. It's not going diagonal at all. So all I'm going to do is slide my ruler so that it's going the exact same direction and draw my line between these two lines. So if you look, these are called parallel lines. They're going the exact same direction like railroad tracks. They will never cross like this. They're going perfectly straight. So for this side is vertical. It's perfectly straight up and down. I'm just going to slide my ruler down till I get to this point and do another vertical line. Came to that point. And now I'm going to erase all these converging lines because I don't need them anymore. There we go. All right. So there's my box. Now I'm going to do what a lot of people do that you should not do. Okay. First of all, a lot of people will just draw one line. And for some reason, it always ends up diagonal. There's two sides. This one will only get one line. There's only one side. This one will only get one line. There's only one side. This one has two sides, so it needs two lines. So let's erase that. The other thing I see people do all the time is they'll go like this and they'll go like this. So they almost get it, but they don't quite get it. So these, if you look, if I line these up, they are not parallel. These will eventually, if they go on in space, cross each other. So therefore they are not parallel. Same with these. They are not parallel. They will cross eventually. So we need to make sure that these are, this one is perfectly parallel with this one. And this one is perfectly parallel with this one. And then we erase those converging lines like that. This one has one side, so it will only get one line. And same with this one. Now this one, remember, it's not transparent. It's a solid box. So we're going to erase the horizon line going through that. Erase right here. And erase right here. And now you have some 3D boxes. Now our next lesson, we're going to take these boxes, put our letters into them, and make big 3D letters for our name. Till next time.